So regarding our encoder and how do we adjust the photoelectric and photoelectric sensors and where do we do it? First of all, if I haven't used it yet and I want to use the encoder in encoder mode, if I haven't aligned the light source, it must be in a stationary state. Only when it's stationary can we go into the settings under production line settings. Only when the production line is stationary here can I change it to something else. After setting the flying engraving and adjusting the flying mode, only then can we modify the direction here, as well as parameters like external or internal, etc. You can adjust these parameters for the encoder here. The photoelectric sensor settings are also here, and it's quick to access. For the photoelectric sensor, whether it's external or internal, if the photoelectric sensor hasn't been triggered, the current status will show like no detection or idle. All of these can be modified here. You can modify the detection status here as well. And both the photoelectric sensor and the encoder can be adjusted here.